How to create your own stickers on WhatsApp. So go to your Photos application, choose a photo that you want to make as a sticker. Now, if your photo is on live mode, make sure to turn that off. Long press the subject to get it from the background of your photo. Make sure to hold it and use your other finger to switch applications. Now go ahead and exit your photos. Open the WhatsApp. Place the image at the type bar and wait for the green plus icon to appear. Once you see it, let go of the image and wait for the image to load. Then this custom sticker confirmation will appear, so just click on send. And as you can see, the photo is now sent as a sticker. You can click on the sticker and add it to your favorites. And this way, when you want to send the sticker again, you can just click on the sticker icon and your own sticker will be here. So that is how to create your own stickers on WhatsApp. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.